Hi dear students, welcome to the financial accounting. We are discussing about non-profit organizations. Non-profit organizations, sixth problem. This is also we are going to work out how to prepare income and expenditure account from the receipts and payment account. So how do you work out this problem? You are going to work out. I'll explain the problem roughly, I'll show you, but you work out. Okay, now focus seriously and concentrate on this problem. So what is given information is here, receipts and payment. We have to prepare income and expenditure as on 31st March 2019. Okay, as on 31st March 2019, receipts and payments are given. So this we are going to show it in the income and expenditure account. We'll see each and every item. Payment side first, salaries will be taking on in the roughly I am showing income and expenditure account. So here you will write expenses and income. So salaries we are going to consider it as expenses. Fixed deposits. Fixed deposits is asset. We don't take it into the income and expenditure. Fixed deposits, no. Purchase of furniture. This is also balance sheet asset. We don't consider into the income and expenditure account. Next, purchase of shares. This is also asset. Balance sheet asset. Next, printing and stationery. We are going to consider it on the debit side of P&L account, income and expenditure account. Credit to debit. General expense also we are going to consider it as expenses. That's all, over. Now coming to the receipt side. Opening balance we don't touch. Subscriptions, it's a income. Donations also income. But donations, always remember, in the first beginning class only I told you. Two types of donations. Small donations, big donations. If donations amount is huge, large, then it is to be capitalized. Now you see the amounts, all the amounts are less, but donation amount is high. So this is to be capitalized. Anything is mentioned about donations, nothing is mentioned. But anyway, amount is huge, so we have to take it into the balance sheet. Donations, huge amount is there, then it is to be capital. Balance sheet, liability side. Okay. Next, sale of old furniture. This is also balance sheet. Asset side only we are going to adjust. Interest on investments. This is receipt. Debit to credit we are going to write. Now coming to the adjustments, outstanding subscriptions 1500, subscriptions are 70,000. To 70,000 we are going to add 1500. Outstanding, payable. Okay, so there is an adjustment. Subscriptions received in advance. Received, this is we are going to add because outstanding subscriptions, payable. Sorry, receivable. Subscriptions is income now. So receivable will add. Subscriptions received in advance. Advances we don't want. So this will deduct it. Okay. And next, value of old furniture sold is 45,000. Where is old furniture? It is here. Sale of old furniture. What is this value? Value is 45,000 they are saying. 45,000 value we are selling for 42,000, means 3,000 is loss. So this we have to consider 3,000 loss. Roughly I am showing you. So expenses side will write to salaries 20,000. Next, fixed deposit for furniture share we don't take. Printing and stationery 20,000. General expenses 6,000. And the credit side subscriptions, buy subscriptions, we'll write it in the inner column. Sorry, subscriptions are 70,000. What is the adjustment? Outstanding, receivable, add outstanding, receivable is to be added. And received in advance, advances we don't want, so minus received in advance 500. So whatever amount you get, you can write it here. 71,500 minus 500, it comes to 71,000. Subscription donations anyway, it is to be capitalized. We are not going to touch it. Sale of old furniture. So this value is here 45,000 and selling for 42. 3,000 is loss. So loss will be on the debit side. Loss on sale of asset. Loss on sale of furniture, old furniture. This one as it is, we are going to show it in the balance sheet asset side. Only old furniture, when we are selling, what is the value is given. So when we know the value and at what rate you have sold, you will come to know profit or loss. We know that there is a loss. Loss of how much? 3,000. How do you got 3,000? 45,000 minus 42,000. 45 minus 42. So 3,000 you got. Next, interest on investments. $10,200. Anything else? Outstanding subscriptions we have taken. This is also over. That is also over. Yes, that's it. Now, if you do it, answer you are going to get 32,200. Answer is given. Surplus you are going to get 32,200. I don't want to work out. I will just rub this. Just for idea, I gave you. Answer must be 32,200. You work out and see, so that you will have a clarity. Okay. The more you work out, you will get more clarity and practice also. Please trust on this principle. And in the coming class also, one more problem I will give you, like you have to do it. Then after that, we will go to the balance sheet, how to prepare all together problems. Okay. And also in the description box, lot of problems are given, lot of subjects, topics are given. Stay connected, refer it, and also refer this channel to someone and help them. Okay. Stay connected. Good luck.